Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and click on it. Then choose Alarm next to Word Clock. Now create your own by choosing this plus icon at the top right corner. Then set up an hour and click on Repeat. Now you need to click on the days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with every Monday and every Sunday. Then click on the top left corner. Now you can click on this switcher next to snooze to switch it off or on and tap on label. Then label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on done. Now finally click on sound and tap on one of those sources like Toaster or pick a song. To select music from your smartphone or in this case Apple Music app. If you don't want to do that though, you need to click on cancel at the top right corner and select one of those ringtones by tapping on the best one. Then click on the top left corner again. But if you want to, you can always go into settings as well. But this time select vibration section at the top and manage vibrations for your incoming alarms. For example, you can enable synchronized feature by clicking over here. Scroll all the way down and disable vibrations completely by choosing none. Or click on one of those vibration patterns. If you don't want to do any of that, you can always click on create new vibration over here and create your own vibration pattern. When you're ready, just tap at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to play it, click on play at the bottom left one. In order to end it and save it, click on the top right corner over here, name your vibration pattern, and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to disable it, you need to pick any other option. And if you wish to get rid of it, click on edit at the top right corner. Then click on pattern that you wish to delete. Select delete over here and click on done at the top right corner to save your changes. Then click on the top left corner over here twice and finally save your alarm by choosing save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to, you can always delete it by clicking on it, choosing delete alarm over here. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!